Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you another Zippo trick from Genie Mini 123. So this trick is called the whirly hand, and I'm going to show you it. It's just kind of a really cool trick to to do in front of your friends. It's if they're showing off or something, you can be like, hey, I could do something even better than that, boy. So kind of cool. If you know some of these tricks. So this is our second trick. Please subscribe afterwards. We're trying to make it with Zippos here. So I'm gonna see how you guys like these videos, and if you guys like them, subscribe and share them on Facebook and stuff. I'll keep doing these for years and years and years. So anyway, this is called the whirly hand. Sorry about that. There. That's one way to do it. Or you can make it look magic like this. And then you have some of your other tricks, that are pretty easy, like this. Or you can do this. The quick. You see that? See, one time. If you're fast enough, you can do it. That's another pretty cool trick. I'll show you how to perfect that in our next video. Thanks, and subscribe.